Appellant in the writ petition contended that TMA Jhelum advertised for auction of collection rights of Chingchi rickshaw fee for the current financial year, and date of auction was fixed on 27 July 2015 first up. He was awarded the contract, being the highest bidder for an amount of rupees 1 crore, and he deposited the security fee and thereafter regularly deposited the installments and deposited rupees 88 million first up. The fee for parking was announced at rupees 20 per day at the time of auction first up. Previously the fee was at rupees 10 per day, and contract was awarded for rupees 39 million first up. TMA gave the schedule of rupees 20 per day, but there was no gazette notification by the government first up. Due to above said reasons, the rickshaw drivers refused to pay the enhanced fee first up. The rickshaw drivers made a strong protest and also went on strike first up. They also filed case before the provincial ombudsman first up. Due to the protest and non-payment of enhanced fee, he suffered a huge loss first up. Appellant had obtained the contract more than double amount of the previous years on account of enhanced schedule of rupees 20 per day first up. TMA, without getting approval of the schedule of enhancement and gazette notification, auction the collection rights, which is illegal and unauthorized first up. On the protest and strike of the rickshaw drivers, the gazette notification was issued on 13 November 2015 at rupees 20, which was to take effect from the date of notification first up. After gazette notification, he started collection at the rate rupees 20 per day from the rickshaw first up. From 3rd August 2015 to 13 November 2015, the rickshaw drivers paid and he received rupees 10 per day from them first stop. Due to the fault of the TMA, he suffered huge financial loss first stop. As per term and condition of the agreement, he moved an application before the administrator TMA Jhelum for arbitration on 10 April 2016 first stop. The Honorable High Court disposed of the writ petition with the direction to the Secretary Local Government to decide the same as representation of the petitioner after providing the opportunity of hearing to the petitioner within 10 days first stop. The learned judge was also pleased to direct the respondents that till decision no conceive measures by taken against petitioner for recovery first stop. Comments of the TMA Jhelum has been called, for which has not been received so far first stop.